Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what it is? It is time for some new releases. Now, if you're new to the Stamps of Life, I need to give you a little tip about our company. The first 24 hours that new items are on the website, there is a very, very, very good chance, like 98% chance, it's on flash sale. It's only the first 24 hours. So you got to get in quick, and if it sells out, it's out. When we reorder it, it will come in at regular price. So make sure you get in extra early. Also, another tip, our release days are the 1st, 7th, 15th, 20th, and 25th of each month. But the people that know to go on our website the night before. Mark your calendars. Are you ready? Get set. Let me just tell you, I'm in love with this one. It is a pumpkin owl fold it, and it's so adorable. And the best part about it is it can be a pumpkin owl fold it or a jack-o'-lantern fold it. Don't you just love him? And I have lots of fun samples to share with you. He's so adorable. I love him. I love him. I love him. Then we released a Happy Fall Circle, which is nice and large. I'm going to show you a sample of that one right now so you can see it. Look how gorgeous that is. Here's another one. Look how pretty that is. Also fits, and I have a sample on our on our circle flip it card. Look how adorable that is. Happy Fall. This one has something on the inside. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, two more things. This one I'm madly in love with because it's just something you've never seen before. This is, and you know what? I really feel like I should show you a sample so you really get the whole thing. This is a leaf border A2 die set, card die set, meaning it has leaves all the way around, and it comes with two big phrases of words. It says, "May your days be filled with warmth and cheer." And also, when we have each other, we have everything. And look at how beautiful and gorgeous this is. Are you kidding me? Is this just amazing or what? Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That's also using the Warm and Cozy dies from our website, but isn't that beautiful? Now, I have more samples, don't worry. Last but not least, and this one is very, very, very limited. Very limited. It is new tri-blend colors from Spectrum Noir. These are the tri-blends that I'm madly in love with. I have all of them right here, but I'm madly in love with these. These are the bullet tips, and these are new colors. This is very, very limited on our website. If you don't see it on our website, that means it's gone. Just a heads up. Just a heads up. It's called Festive Scenes, and it has dark red blend, alpine green blend, blue turquoise blend, earth brown blend, ice gray blend, and ice gray shades. The nice thing about this set is if you already have some of the others, these are going to fill in color holes that you might have noticed. Like you're like, gosh, I really need a green that's more alpine. Yeah, now you have it. Oh, I really need a darker red. Yeah, now you have it. So definitely check this one out. Okay, done. Let's look at all our samples. First of all, here's our Happy Fall. Does not have to go on that flip it. Look how cute that is. That is on our fold over card. So adorable. Fits perfectly on there, doesn't it? Here it is on the flip it. So this is how I originally designed it, but you know my design team, they come up with tons of other ways to do it. But there is the original way of what I was thinking. But then of course the design team puts it on the fold over card. So it's really fun like that. Or they put it just on the front of a card with the background die. Lots of options, right? Oh, or they put it on a banner. Look how amazing this is, you guys. This is also using the gnome fold it and the wood grain stamp, checkered stencil. Look at how gorgeous that is. Our gate fold it's down there, pumpkins. Oh my goodness. So beautiful, so beautiful. I absolutely love that one. Then let's look at our owl. Now here it is in a jack-o'-lantern. Yes, the jack-o'-lantern dies are included in the set. Or, oh, another jack-o'-lantern. Look, this one's a shaker. That jack-o'-lantern is a shaker. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love that so much. Then you're gonna open it up. Happy Halloween. Open this up. You can write your message on the inside. Love it. Oh, Michelle made a stuffy. You know how I feel about these stuffies. My boys are 4.5 now. I can't believe it. They play with these nonstop. They have a big bin of them. They get them out. They make them move. They make them talk. They make them do all these fun things. And good or bad, I don't know. They also throw them at each other. At least they're soft. They're boys. What do you expect? Here we go. Here is a beautiful one on a banner. Look at how gorgeous that is. So card or banner or stuffy or box or whatever you want. Here's another cute one. Hello. Love it. But look how, a different colored face. Look how different you can make this guy. Look at, I have 3 different versions right here. Boom. But there's so many more other ideas. So hang on. Let's see if I can even do this. Dun, 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 dun. Here's another one colored differently. See, all different options. Here's another one colored different. You do different colors and it's a totally different card every single time, which is kind of fun, right? Because then it's just different. Oh, or make it a gray owl. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's look at that leaf card because I know you're going to fall in love with this. So this is also using the leaf A2 shaped card. Yes, it is the same design. A lot of you already have this A2 leaf card. Now you have a leaf edge card that can go onto. Everything goes together, right? Everything has to go together. And here, oh, actually it's supposed to go that way. Sorry, I had it upside down. When we have each other, we have everything. What a beautiful thing to say to someone. Isn't that beautiful? Imagine if you know, somebody was a little down in the dumps or just needed a pick-me-up. Imagine sending that to someone. Look at that. Happy holidays. Love that leaf. Love that leaf. Now, just a heads up. Whenever we release edge cards like this, they sell out very, very quickly. So make sure you get this one on flash sale price so you're saving even more, and then you'll be able to have it in your stash, right? May your days be filled with warmth and cheer. Yes, that is in the card. That is there. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Who made this one? Cheryl made this one. She took those leaves that at die cut also make good confetti, by the way, for shakers, those little leaves that punch out. She added them back onto that layering die. Isn't that gorgeous? Hugs and kisses. Oh my goodness. Here's another one using the candy cane from the 5x7 gatefold card. Ooh, and oh, see, my team knows me. They had a note on here and Chris circled it really big. She says, candy cane is removable, can be used as an ornament. You guys, my design team is so amazing. It got a little stuck in mailing. Look at this. Now I have a cute little ornament for my tree. Imagine making this, oh, it's taped. Imagine making this as your card for people that you give out, and you give them a little ornament. Write your name on the back and the year so they remember. Isn't that adorable? I totally love it. Now, first 24 hours, you know the rules. Flash sale, go get them quick. Once they sell out or the 24 hours are over, they go to our everyday low price, which is still amazing. If you're a club member, no matter what, every single day you're a club member, every single day, every single order, every single item. I love to say that. You get your club discount, 15 to 20% off. If you're not in the club, you need to go check it out. Our clubs start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set sent to you automatically each month in the mail. So for $13.99 a month, you get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically in the mail, made in the USA, high quality photopolymer sent to you. Then that's only $13.99 for a stamp set, 4x6. Wait, what? Yeah, exactly. No extra shipping. If we have to charge tax, we do charge tax. Also in Canada, it's only 50 cents more. If you're international, it's only $1.50 more. Wait, what? I know, right? It's awesome. $13.99, you get a stamp set. But wait, there's more, because then you're also a club member. So you're getting 15% off my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order you place. Does that include Totally Tiffany items? Yes. Does that include secret weapons? Yes. Does that include adhesive? Yes. Does that include glue? Yes. Does that include acrylic blocks? Yes. Dyes? Yes. Online classes? Yes, 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 yes. There is not one item on my website where you do not get the club discount. I know. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch the video. $13.99 a month. That's like 1 or 2 coffees, right? Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.